above here with another video. Today's video is going to be boring. Are you ready? Alright. So, today's testing out Pringles. But 30% more. What if someone looked at? What if someone put their hand in their butt? Oh, it's sour. What if someone put their hand in their butt? I just licked their butt. I licked their poop. What's my face? These spooky stories. Alright. So, going to be testing it. See if they actually have 30% more. And we'll see if they're better. If they have more flavor. If they're expired. Sorry, my dad's building a tractor. They didn't shush. Whatever. Gonna be trying these. As you can see, I have not opened them yet. Pop, play, eat. Pop, jouer, come on. Pop, play, eat. I'm gonna open you. That's so satisfactionist. Never ending. This is like 10 times my face. Wait, it won't even fit in my camera. Thumbnail. JK. I don't do thumbnails. You know why? Because they suck. I'm trying that duck thing. They have a lot more flavor. They're good. They're good. I have a good idea. See what you did? So amazing. You should definitely buy these. Pretty good. Not sponsored, by the way. Sponsor me! Pringles all over the floor. Yeah, you don't believe me? Looks like a rat just came into my room, ate all my stuff. like my new sweater. I think it's so amazing. Comment down below if you think I should start doing vlogs. My life's boring, so probably not. But comment down below. Ew. So amazing. That noise, it's like a bum. Bang my butt. This weird heater that I don't even use. Who uses them? Alright. Should definitely buy them. They're really, really flavorful. Like, really. Stuff all over. Okay, that's it for this video. Please subscribe. Wait. Okay. Wait.